It's been through every season, through thick and thin, from neighbors to lovers, from teens to grown. We'll burn together you've shown. We started as neighbors, just kids across the street. But little did you know that was your sweet beat. 7 years apart, but together you grew. Through the highs and the lows, always pulling through. 48 years married, and 3 girls you raised. Sonia, Shimika, Kashara. Love never swayed, and drinking your son. Now 15 is strong, the family you built. Where we all belong, from in the heat of the night to the life you made. Together you stood, together you stayed. The best parents we know, so unselfish and true. There's nothing you wouldn't do for me or for you. The goodness, you've shown us the way. 51 years and we're here today. The love you share is all we can need. Through every moment, you planted the seed. You've been our strength, our guiding light. Through the day and the night, you're holding us tight. 51 years strong, and forever you'll be the best parents, the best love for all to see. You built a life of love, so beautiful, so real. Through every sacrifice, you've shown how to feel. Always there for us, with arms open wide. You've been our anchors, you've been our guide. Your love has lasted, a beacon so bright, always helping others with all your might. Kindness, you care, they shine every day for will, but now this love finds its way from in the heat of the night to the life you made. Together you stood, together you stayed. The best parents we know, so unselfish and true. There's nothing you wouldn't do for me or for you. No, but now it's shown us the way. 51 years and we'll be here today. The love that you share is all we can need. Yeah, through every moment you planted the seed. You've been our strength, our guiding light. Through the day and night, you're holding us high. 1 year strong and forever you'll be the best parents, the best love for all to see. Neighbors as teens, lovers as one. Through every battle, you never run. 51 years and still you stand tall. We'll be honest, you've given us it all. So here's to you for all that you've done. 51 years and your